Are you living for the moment? It's what we'd all like to do, isn't it? If only we could just live in the moment and be present. When you hear other people make these suggestions or claim it's how they live their lives, you roll your eyes. It's vague, it's not for you. Meditation, it sounds good, but who has the time? That's all well and good until you take a look around at all the people who swear by it. Then you finally give in and you sit with a guided meditation track or peaceful music. It doesn't take long to realize it's almost impossible. Every time you try to quiet the racing thoughts in your head, you're dragged right back to your to do list. If it's this difficult for you, it must be for everyone else too, right? Right. In fact, a Harvard University study showed that almost 50% of our days are earmarked for our wandering minds. You literally spend half of your day being completely distracted by the thoughts that have nothing to do with what you're doing at any given moment. Of course, there's a more important takeaway from that study. A wandering mind isn't making you happy. Quieting your mind sounds good, though. How can you do that when you find meditation impossible? Or you just don't like it? The fact of the matter is that practicing meditation allows you to train your mind, and you can train your mind to be quiet. When you master this skill, you can call on it when you need to. However, you can quiet your mind in other ways. Some tasks automatically bring us to a place of calm. For you, that might be weeding the garden. For others, it could be sunbathing. It's important to note that your mind isn't the consequence of unhappiness, but more often the cause of it. Please note, there is a difference between a wandering mind and daydreaming. The latter is healthy and helpful for your brain and is a lot like a quiet mind. For those of you who struggle with meditation, try this exercise instead. You can do it whenever you need to, and it will help quiet your mind and achieve peace. First, write out a list of things that you enjoy doing. Choose at least three, but no more than five. It could be hiking, spending time with family and friends, cooking, reading, or gardening. When you are next enjoying one of those activities, take note of your senses. What are you hearing? What are you smelling? What are you tasting? What do you see and feel? As soon as you find your mind wandering, whether it's the past, future, or elsewhere, catch it and shift your focus back to the present. Use your senses as an anchor. If you find it difficult to stay in the moment, then try to express gratitude for the activity you are doing as you do it. This can be an effective way to remain present and quiet your mind. The more often you practice this exercise, the easier it will become, just like meditation. Once you are comfortable at practicing mindfulness during your favorite activities, you can extend the process into other activities and events in your life. With this, you can quiet your mind, achieve peace, and experience satisfaction and happiness in your life at any given moment. It might not be easy, but it is certainly possible, especially when we allow ourselves the time and space to indulge in the activities we know to bring us peace, quiet, and joy. I'd like to hear from you. Comment below on what activity brings you feelings of happiness and calm.